What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Just finished work. You probably guessed it, and here comes the kiddos. Right over there. Let's park it right there. Park it there. Park it there. So yeah, you know what? It's another episode of Catch and Cook, guys. So, you know, let's hope we catch so we can complete this catch and cook, guys. All right, I got the drone in the back there also. So you know what? I'm gonna lift off a little bit later on when the clouds start to get that magical color of orangey and reddish and a little bit purplish and all that kind of good stuff. So all right, guys, let's get the fishing pole going. Hi, Romeo.
Go fishing.
Yeah. Oh, go over there by the grass then, so the cars don't get you. Hi. What's going on? You can place them over here. Yeah, just place them over here then. Hello there. No, that's soap. That's soap. Huh? Oh, okay. Eliza, tell everybody what's going on. It's another episode of
Fishing.
Catch and Cook.
Oh,
So you guys are in charge of catching. Hold on, let me get the.
I'm in charge of cooking.
Yeah, here. So we got. What we got here, guys? We got shrimp. Here you go. You guys are in charge of. So this is how much we spent. No, go shishi over here next to the truck. Right here. No, the other side. The other side. Oh my God. And I got the shrimp chips on deck here, guys. And in addition to that, I got a good old lime and raisin margarita, guys. The good old lime and raisin margarita. Good old margarita with the raisin. Okay. It's about time to catch. Goodness, what you got there? Oh, watch out, Romeo. You have to take a look. Okay, you guys got it? Good job. You guys are, look at that. Look at these islanders over here. You guys are on it. Look at that.
Got it in? Hook it nicely.
Look at that.
Nice and in, so it doesn't fall
Yeah,
out.
hey, be careful. Your sister's doing it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You got one. Yeah, you don't have to throw it too far. Watch out, don't hook your brother. Oh, I thought that was you over there. Here we go. Okay, Mr. Catch and Cook doesn't know how to use the fishing pole. Hey, get away. Hey, get away from the mud. All right, there we go. Okay, now let's see what's going on here. Hey, get away from the mud, guys. Can you guys stay away from the mud? All right. Here, Liza. Here. Okay, it's recording.
Yeah?
Here, it's recording. You want to record? All right, guys. Oh
No,
my
I'm
God!
jumping
Be careful, it's recording. Be
Oh,
steady.
I got a bite. I just had a little.
What's up, guys?
Oh, what was
It's
that?
your boy Robert here. Just enjoying a margarita, sparkling margarita here. We're over here in Kapaa and trying to get some fish over here for you guys.
Hi, Mom.
And looks like he's gonna catch something. Hope you guys are having a great day, great evening, or great morning, wherever you are in your neck of the woods. Hey, watch out! All right. So behind the camera is Miss Eliza.
Yeah, hi.
All right, Eliza.
Where'd you get that from? I'm up there.
Yeah, it fell. I saw it swing. Which one do you want?
Hello.
The Melona? You gotta eat it now.
I think can you open mine? I can't open it right now.
Here,
No,
Jess.
that's what she said.
So we got Jax or Jack? Oh my god. Jax with a X is on deck. Literally on deck.
Hi.
Are you getting any bite?
No.
Oh.
His freaking bait fling off his thing.
Oh yeah?
He doesn't know how to fish.
It's okay. He hardly fishes.
Nah, nah, nah.
We got Jess going off there fishing now. Oh, you know what, Erica?
What?
We forgot the speakers. I mean the speaker.
Good
Right, Jax?
job, good one.
We forgot the speaker. Oh wow. Ooh.
He's the one.
Hey, what happened over there? Interview.
Huh?
Interview. Hey!
He touched the sock.
Don't give that to your sister. He's disgusting you. What happened? Ethan boy, what happened over there? Oh, good throw, Jess. Good throw.
Good throw, Ashley.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Watch out the knife, Ethan. Watch out the knife, son.
Oh.
Ethan boy, you gotta take turns. Come on. There goes your mom. Look at that. Woohoo! Alright, Jess.
Dad?
Jess, interview Jess. Jess, what kind of fish are you expecting to catch over here?
Hi,
Huh?
Dad.
What kind of fish? Canal fish?
Bubba.
Blue marlin? Oh, scary day if you catch one blue marlin over here. Erica, you want a chair?
Auntie, look, he's shaking.
You can ask Romeo to grab the chair in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good throw, Jess. Oh, good throw.
Mom.
Yeah.
No more.
It's okay. It's okay. Just keep throwing, honey. What do you mean no more? You just keep going.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Where's he going?
That's a leaf, son.
Tell Uncle Bangers to come too.
Bob. Wait a Mom.
Alright, it's going.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys. Try and keep it steady,
Yeah.
Mr. Ethan boy. So we got Ethan. You got my head?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. What's up, guys? So we're gonna fly the drone right over here, guys. We got Ethan boy. Ethan boy, you getting my face?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do
I'm
it.
gonna fly the drone, guys, because check out the beautiful sky. Oh well. Oh, the clouds are around here now.
Dad.
It was a reddish not too long ago, but yeah, we're gonna fly the bird, guys. Right, Ethan boy?
Yeah.
You sure you got my head?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Keep
Let's
steady.
go.
Keep steady.
Let's go. Try it out over here. Hold on.
Check the mud.
All right, guys. This is some behind the scene, right?
Yeah.
Behind the scene drone action, guys.
You should put this after you do your drone. And you just do it behind the scenes.
Oh yeah. Oh okay.
No, look, nothing out
All
here.
right. Whoa! We gotta do the dance over here.
Yeah, spin around. Spin around.
Hey, back up. Back up. Okay, it's warming up, guys. Warm it up, Chris. I just got dizzy from spinning around. You sure you got my head?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna record, and we're good to go. There we go.
Already lost the battery. Hello.